Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you what do the check marks mean on Facebook Messenger. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you tap open your Facebook Messenger application and you try sending a text message to one of your contacts, you'll be able to see that there is a check mark icon at the bottom right below every text message that you send. The unfilled check mark, as you see right here, means that your message has been sent. The blue filled tick mark, as you can see right here, means that your text message has been delivered but not seen by the contact. After your friend reads your message, a small version of your friend's photo will appear next to your text message, which means the person has seen your message and will be replying you anytime soon. So basically, the check marks are usually for your text message delivery or seen status. For your messages status, different check marks indicate different meaning. If the contact reads your messages, then you'll be able to see their profile picture where your blue tick mark used to be. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.